Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my review on Vidiq. This is a tool that helps YouTube content creators optimize their channels to ultimately increase their video rankings and views. I will be using Vidiq on my How to Webmaster YouTube channel. As you can see here, my views has been stagnant at around 40,000 views monthly. I've been posting new videos as well, but the views and earnings have not increased. Let's see if Vidiq can really work in boosting my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to follow my updates on using this tool. Alright, here is the website of Vidiq. Basically, it is a YouTube optimization tool that helps your channel increase rankings and views. If you really want to know if this tool works, take a look at the Vidiq YouTube channel. They boast over 1 million subscribers with almost 100 million views. Clearly, these people must know what they are talking about when it comes to YouTube optimization. Okay, let's check out how much this tool costs. There is actually a free version, but with limited features, which for a small YouTube channel or someone starting out, this will work fine. For bigger channels, there are paid options. Here's a quick look at all of the features like trending ideas, keyword research, automatic tags, bulk optimization options, competitor research, automatic optimization suggestions, powered by artificial intelligence, YouTube Training Academy, and much more. For this current video, I will sign up for the free Vidiq version. After signing up for free, here is what the dashboard looks like. It provides you with some daily ideas for your channel. You can click the heart icon to save the topics, and the AI bot will recommend more similar ideas in the future. You can delete the ideas or topics you don't like as well. Next, you get some title ideas. Down below, you get keyword ideas and opportunities. This is important because Vidiq literally tells you what videos you should be creating that have good search volume with low competition. The next part is where you can add in your competitors or channels you want to compare with. Then down below are your videos and basic stats. Here's a look at some of the video ideas that I have saved from Vidiq suggestions. Again, these topics are suggested for my channel niche. These topics are something I can create content on and have high views potential. I really like this because if you are struggling to find what kind of topics or videos to create, this tool will literally tell you what to create and what topics can bring in high number of views. I still need to experiment with Vidiq and see if this really works, so stay tuned for my update videos later. The next thing to do is to install the Vidiq Chrome browser extension. After installing the browser extension, you can conveniently see Vidiq tools and stats for your channel. On the side here are the SEO stats for any videos you view, but you need an upgraded plan to see the full stats. You can also see other people's video tags and keywords. The last thing I want to show you guys is the channel audit tool here, which gives you an overall look at your entire channel. Vidiq shows you which of your videos are hot, which ones got the most engagement, and which ones brought in the most subscribers. You can see some of the top keywords for your content, along with other stats from clicks like video cards and end screens. Okay, the last thing I will show you is the achievements feature on the left here. This will show you your current stats and predict the future for your channel. It predicts that I will get 15,000 subscribers by May of 2023, along with other predictions. This is actually quite motivating. Let's see if I can get there sooner. You can also see predictions for views and other things, along with past achievements. Alright guys, this has been a quick review of Vidiq. I will be experimenting with the upgraded version and running some experiments with it to see if this can really work in increasing my YouTube rankings and views. Please subscribe to follow my progress and updates on using Vidiq. Thanks so much for viewing, and until next time, happy YouTubing.